Hello everyone! Balak mo bang migrate dito sa United States? And if you do, and if you're planning to migrate here in United States, there are things that I would like to share to you about what to do before coming to America. Number one, you should know how to drive. Importante talaga dito marunong kang mag-drive. Otherwise, it's very difficult for you to go anywhere. Now, if your destination is a major metropolitan area like New York, for example, okay lang na hindi ka marunong mag-drive because their subway is very reliable. Most New Yorkers are taking the subway to go anywhere. Pero if your destination is not a major city, importante talaga na marunong kang mag-drive. Yes, may mga train naman dito, may mga buses, but not all streets are madadaanan ng train and buses. So, importante talaga na marunong kang mag-drive. If you're planning to take the bus here, ang mga bus dito ay may mga schedule. For example, in bus stop A, ang dating ng bus is at 8:30, kailangan before 8:30 nandun ka na sa bus stop. Otherwise, you're gonna wait for another 15 or 30 minutes or so for the next bus. And also, sometimes you have to take 2 or 3 buses before you reach your final destination. And another disadvantages of taking the bus here in the United States is that it will take you longer to reach your destination kumpara kung i-drive mo. Probably if you drive, it might take you 15 minutes or less. Pag i-bus mo, you might arrive to your final destination in 45 minutes or so. So you can save time if you know how to drive here in United States. And secondly, importante talaga that you know how to do chores. Kailangan marunong ka ng mga gawaing bahay dito dahil it's so expensive to hire someone to do chores for you. Kailangan marunong kang maglinis, maglaba, magluto, at iba pang mga gawaing bahay because you're gonna be on your own. And sometimes kahit may nararamdaman ka sa katawan, you're not feeling well, you're sick, you really have to force your body to get up and take care of yourself. Walang tutulong sa iyo kundi ang sarili mo. And if you have questions about life in America, you can type your questions below and I will answer them to the best of my ability. So see you next time and mabuhay po tayong lahat.